Hey, what's up, poo-poo pee-pee? Welcome back to Microscope. My name's Mike. We're doing another fun time learning an episode, and I know you're excited because you're a nerd. And today we're learning about the genus of Spirorbis, these little worms. So yeah, that's a worm, believe it or not. Spirorbis is a genus of polychaete worm with about 20 different species in it. They live in the ocean, attached to substrate like hard rocks, even things like seaweed. And more specifically than just they live in the ocean, you'll find them in the littoral and sublittoral areas, which just means the shore. The shells here are made of calcium carbonate, and they generally grow 2 to 5 millimeters. They can be smaller than that though, and you'll find them often on the side of your aquarium tank if you're a saltwater tank owner. A white shell again is made of calcium carbonate, and inside of that actually lives the worm, which is pale in coloration with a bit of red tinge on the tentacle part, as we can see here. In terms of being able to move, they don't. They're what we call sessile animals, meaning they live in that shell and they don't leave that shell. They don't really go anywhere, but they do have a larval stage in which they're free swimming, so they can go ahead and find new places to attach to. It both eats and breathes with those tentacles. They capture small bits of algae, detritus, which is broken down organic matter, other microorganisms that are small enough, and then also they're able to participate in the gas exchange there, and woohoo, respiration, that's fun. For Spirorbis, reproduction typically occurs externally, meaning the male reproductive fluid and the eggs are released into the water, and then they meet up with each other in the water. That's pretty wild. But some species are also known to participate in brooding, in which the female holds on to the fertilized eggs until they hatch into larvae, and then they're released all at once, which is cool. Wow. Being that they're very small and they live in a tough shell of calcium carbonate, they're not really preyed upon that much. Maybe things like sea snails and nudibranchs can. That's pretty cool though. And here's a fun fact. The name Spirorbis comes from Latin, spira meaning coil, and then orbis meaning circle. So its name is coil circle. Okay. People don't like these due to the optics, or it just doesn't look good in the tank, but don't worry, I couldn't find anything about them hurting fish or causing pollution in your tank or something like that. If anything, it's the opposite. Since they're filter feeders, they're going to be constantly cleaning that water for you, so you should thank them. Wow, wasn't that edge of your seat stuff? And you just so thrilled and had so much fun? You didn't? Aw, shucks. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Be kind to one another, show support for one another, and respect and accept each other for who we are. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, pee-pee pants.